Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to do 3 quick and easy DIY for you. So this first one, you will need a napkin of your choice. You will need your scissors and you will need an egg. You will need Mod Podge glue and a paintbrush. Now I've chosen this paintbrush, but you can use the sponge brush if you prefer. You will need one of the Dollar Tree fairy lights and some spray paint. You also need some embellishment of your choice. Now you'll go ahead and separate your egg and your napkin. Now a good napkin will have 3 layers, so make sure you dispose of the 2 layers because you want to have a really nice thin and beautiful decoupage. I apologize, you will see Khalil running back and forth in this video. I'm sorry if it's distracting, but he's getting so big and I cannot contain him any longer. All right, guys, enjoy the video. So this next DIY is going to be a Dollar Tree garden decor. You will need a ribbon of your choice. This one came from Michael's. You will need a Dollar Tree foam board. You will need a Dollar Tree egg and a Dollar Tree bunny. You want to lay them out on the foam board just as you see here. Trace it out and cut it out with a razor or a knife. Now this is the result. How adorable is that? You will need a pen. You will need your scissors. You'll need a skewer, tissue paper, Mod Podge glue, and a brush. Now we can get started on this DIY. Okay guys, so this is how the bunny turned out. I love the way that this decoupage bunny looks. Absolutely beautiful. So I decided I wanted to cover the back with printer paper instead of decoupaging. So what I want to do now is hot glue my skewer to the back of the bunny, but I want to make sure that it is by the head and not up by the ears. So you want to hot glue it onto the back and then cover it with some more of the printer paper. So I'm going to cut my printer paper in half and then add some glue and cover that skewer. Now I'm going to take the same Dollar Tree rope and separate it. Just fray it a bit. Once you've separated it, you're going to gather it back up and we're going to wrap it around and take another piece of the twine and tie it. We're going to create a tail for the bunny. So I decided I want to add a bow to this bunny. So I went ahead and took some of the Dollar Tree spring ribbon and create a simple bow. I also want to add some spring flowers to the ears as well. Now this next DIY is going to be a wall decor. You will need one of these S-shaped butterfly decor I got from the Dollar Tree, and the butterfly came off easily. You will need a wooden sign, and I'm going with the one that I had from fall. You'll need your scissors, your glue gun, glue sticks, and spray paint. Just go ahead and remove all the glitter and spray paint your board. Once everything is dry, we want to put our butterfly back together. Now I must mention that I spray painted my board, I often do, with a black. Now I did do the Shine Spray Paint Black, and so it had a reaction to the paint that I really wanted, which was the green, and that is more of a matte finish. But I love the way it turned out, so I didn't try to correct it. So now I have more of a crackled look to this wall decor. I decided I want to add some twine for the top, just a little bit thicker. It did come with twine, but I wanted a thicker twine for this frame. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I hope you like the way that these DIYs turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. It does help my channel to grow, and I truly appreciate that. Thank you for your time, your comment, and your support. Let me know which one of these DIYs are your favorite.